VPFI forever.
Hello, my name is Eduardo Soto, straight from São Paulo countryside in Brazil, and this content that you are about to check is sponsored by VPFI Forever, the English platform. Access it. Hey, Clayton Davis!
Hey, Eduardo Soto!
Oh, what's this? It's like the Redeemer.
Yeah.
Or we
Oh
could
my
be-
goodness. Yeah. I'm just like, so I went to Rio and
Yeah,
this is what I saw.
you went to Rio, and I went to the what? It's not Seattle. It's New York, right?
New
The
York City, yeah.
Liberty
Where
Statue.
she's like got the book in one hand that nobody's ever read and then the torch in the other.
Yeah, it would be that. Man, I am extremely hungry today, and I'd love to shoot a nice episode about foods. That's why I am going to ask the question that I'm going to ask today, okay?
Okay.
So I want you to tell me some foods that can be considered typical from the USA.
Typical USA. So
Hmm.
countrywide, the biggest food that I think gets associated with the United States is apple pie for whatever reason.
Apple pie, I have already tried once.
Did you like it?
Yeah, I did. It's not something that I would care for, like, oh, I want to eat that again, but it was a nice experience.
Yeah, okay. So yeah, apple pies and maybe like the hamburger, which is hilarious because the name is German.
Hamburger is a German word.
Yeah, for like Hamburg, like Hamburg.
Hamburg. Oh my gosh, Hamburg.
Did you ever realize that?
No, just now. How crazy.
Yeah. So at any rate, yeah, like a hamburger and an apple pie, like that's quintessential American. And also, you've got to wash it down with an ice cold Coca-Cola.
Yeah, I say that. Coke, but Coke, it's like I believe this is so natural in all the countries, not just from the United States, right?
Listen, we had it first. It's ours.
What do you are you telling me that the Coke was born in the United States? Is it true?
I'm pretty sure the soda was,
Oh.
but the coca plant I'm wanting to think is from Colombia, but I don't know.
Colombia, yeah, they sure have a Coke there, marijuana and stuff like that, right?
They have a lot of uses of the coca plant. Let's see, Java. So, all right. So I'm back into the world's most reliable source, Wikipedia.
All right.
And it reads Coca-Cola was invented in the late 19th century, so the 1800s, by John Stith Pemberton, an American pharmacist, and his claim to fame, a Confederate State Army veteran. Great.
Oh.
So we've got the Confederacy to thank for Coca-Cola in a certain sense. Isn't that
Yeah.
wonderful?
I know it's pretty famous out there, but I didn't know it was like, oh, the creation happened here in this land.
Yeah, like I said, I don't think the plant is necessarily from the United States, but it becoming the soda pop that we now know and love did happen in the US.
I see.
Yeah.
But it's really great, right? And did you see that Cristiano Ronaldo made that act with his hand of putting away the Coke, and then they lost like $4 billion?
Wait, what?
You didn't hear about that? The whole internet is just talking about that. We really didn't?
No, I read books. I don't spend a lot of time on the internet.
Take a look. Take a look. Cristiano Ronaldo was about to give an interview, and there
Yeah.
were two Cokes in front of him, like here in my camera, you can see. And he
Yeah.
got them, put away, black. Drink water. And drink water. And like, as he's a very influential.
Yeah, an influential person.
Yeah, he's such an influential soccer player. That day, the stocks, or I don't know, how do you guys say that about stock
Yeah,
market
the
and stuff?
stocks.
Yeah,
Mhm.
man, 4 billion. You see?
That is,
Yeah.
I'm sorry, but that is a lot of power for one single person to have.
It's true.
Like, I have a lot of mixed feelings about that.
Uh-huh.
I mean, yeah, water is better for you, obviously. Like, the man has a point, but good Lord, I don't know how I feel that we needed a soccer player to tell us that.
Yeah, but people in Brazil we say endeusar. It's like the verb that put God in the middle. People be God other players. I don't know if it exists in English, but they put the players as gods, man.
Yeah, I know what you're saying. I don't know if we have such a nice compact word for it, but yeah, they do. We don't, yeah, we do it with athletes. We do with athletes. And for whatever reason of late, we've done it a lot with politicians,
Yeah.
which I'm like, politicians are the lowest level of celebrity. Like, let's make that one completely clear at the start.
Yes, we can. Like it reframes somebody, right?
Yeah.
But dude, about the pizza, don't you guys have pizza there?
Oh, that's right. We do. Yeah, pizza.
Yeah.
Pizza's perfect.
Oh, it's
That was
awesome.
one of the few. So, my family, we lived out around a bunch of farms. I think we talked about it in one of last week's episodes that there's a lot of farm. Like my parents are not farmers.
Hmm.
Their parents did a lot of farming. The point is, the closest restaurant to my family's house was fast food, like a McDonald's, and there was a Pizza Hut and whatever. So like, we never went out for fast food. Like we just didn't.
Never.
No, because you'd have to drive 15 minutes to get there, wait for it, drive 15 minutes back. And that point in time, like my mother could have cooked something that's way better than whatever they're serving at McDonald's.
I believe you're right.
At any rate, the point is the one thing that we would do from time to time was we would call in a pizza at the Pizza Hut because by time we call it, put the phone down,
Yeah.
and get dressed and go drive up to the Pizza Hut, it would be ready to go. So you like drive up, put it, it'd be ready. It would already be baked and ready to go and have it in the car and come back.
No, man. No way. That's the nicest point of living in a small city. I ask for a delivery, for example, a pizza, okay? 30 minutes, it's in my house. I have time to take a shower, play with my baby, and after that, we are going to eat the pizza. It's so great.
Yeah, like you can do a lot of other things.
Yeah.
Even better than that, though, was when we would pick it up to eat at my grandparents' house because they lived only about 5 minutes away from town instead of 15.
Good.
So
Good.
like you wouldn't have to smell that pizza in the car, but about 5 minutes you could eat it.
I would eat in the middle of the way, man. I can't control myself when
Uh,
it comes to pizza. I simply adore it. Is there a specific place that you love more than the others?
now that I'm older, I think I like Domino's more just because that's what's most available to me. Like I said, growing up, Pizza Hut was the shit because that was all we had, so that's all we knew.
I'm not sure if I did understand what's the flavor you mentioned.
Domino's,
Domino's, it's the flavor of the pizza.
oh, you asked me the flavor. I thought you meant the brand.
Ah, no, no, because we have Domino's pizza here too, Pizza Hut and stuff like that. But I mean, about the flavor,
Oh, the style. Okay. I don't know. I like all kinds. It's more about what I don't want on a pizza. I don't want black olives. No, that is incorrect.
Black olives, not
And
okay for you.
no, that's not okay. That's a wrong decision. And I
Okay.
also don't like anchovies. And I
Oh,
have tried both of them.
I
But
see.
I don't want to hear about, oh, you just have to try it. No,
I
no.
see. You
Already
already
have.
did. You already did. And then,
Multiple times.
how about broccoli pizza? What's your feeling about it?
I have the only vegetable I've seen someone put on a pizza is like a pepper, an onion, or spinach. I've
You
never seen
guys,
broccoli on a
you
pizza.
guys don't have a broccoli pizza in the United States?
No, I've never seen that before.
I would never live in the United States, man. No way. It's
They
the
you put like the
perfect.
regular tomato sauce and everything.
Yeah, yeah, we do. We have from the most basic flavors, from the wow, everything on the top of a pizza, even with the pieces of wow ink and stuff. We have hundreds of ingredients in the same pizza flavor. And man, I need to tell you, the broccoli one, it's delicious. Become the new millionaire guy in the United States. Start creating pizza, broccoli pizza there, Clinton. Please do that. Do that.
Broccoli on a pizza. I'm gonna have to like you.
Dude.
You had my interest, and now you have my attention.
Yeah.
Like I
Man,
need to know.
Do it. Do it. If you want to become a millionaire guy before turning 40, please start a business that will only sell broccoli pizza. And man, I'm guaranteeing you're gonna be a millionaire. And of course, share the profits with the teacher too, okay?
Yep, I'll give you a whole penny.
Okay, and send me some pizzas too, all right?
Absolutely. I don't know what state they'll be when they get there, but I'll certainly ship them over.
All right. I'll be waiting for this moment to come. Okay. Clayton, I'd like to be talking a little bit more about food, but now it's time to eat because I am going to have some Japanese food, maybe.
Ooh, what are you?
Yeah.
Wait, Japanese food. Yeah, you've got my attention again. What are you gonna have? Like stir fry or?
Yeah. I'm going to have some sushi, sashimi.
And you didn't
Some
invite me. Like
hot
we're gonna have a
grill.
talk later.
We're gonna schedule a whole episode just talking about Japanese food in the near future, all right?
I could do that. I could go for that.
All right, all right. So my friend, have a great one. I'll talk to you tomorrow, okay?
Yeah, I'll see you then. And don't eat too much. You'll get a stomach ache.
I won't. I won't. Just because I'm fat, you're saying that. That's okay, man.
Gotta go run more. Run more miles.
Yes,
No,
I
run more
will.
kilometers.
I will. I will. All right. Bye, dude.
All right, see you later.
Well, I hope you have enjoyed the talk for today. You can find us on Instagram, Spotify, YouTube, and many other social medias. You just have to type VPFI forever, and there will be a lot of other content there for you. Have a great one. See you next time.
VPF forever.